Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Gemini, for your general energies, career situation and relationship. We are picking few cards. If you like this reading and if it resonates, Gemini, please like and comment. So these are for your general energies, Gemini. This is for your relationship and this card is for your career situation. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy. So that reading may clear your doubts or may answer some questions you have about your circumstances, Gemini. And Gemini, I request you to watch this reading till the end because at some point of this reading, you will get the clarity you are expecting to see today. So let's start with these cards here. It's Hangman, Hermit and Five of Air. So in your circumstances today, in your work or it may be in your relationship, you are seeing some difficulties today. Something is not clear and you are working hard trying to be the best today, do the best today. And you are trying to work with people, trying to adjust. So whatever needs to be done from your side, you are doing it because you are a very experienced person. And maybe in this relationship, you are doing that with this person, trying to be flexible, honest, and trying to build a very honest relationship. So you understand them, you understand their way of seeing things. So you have a lot of experience and you know that each and every one of us are unique, and just like you, this person is also unique. So you need to be very flexible if you want to have a positive, meaningful relationship, and that is what you're trying to do today, Gemini. Trying to resolve things, trying to be the better person today, trying to understand them. And you are thinking about what you need to do and what changes you need to make. And whatever is happening today, you know that you can change only those things you can change. Maybe you can change yourself, but you cannot change this person you love. So they have some plans or ideas. Maybe you're doing your best, but when things are not going as expected, what to do? And today the best thing for you to do is have that acceptance. And with these cards, I feel that you have that, guys. Gemini, you have that acceptance in your heart towards whatever decisions this person is making. So you both as individuals, you are trying to be good, trying to have a positive relationship. But when things are not working, you need to accept that and have that sense of surrender. That is going to bring a change in the way you see this person or in the way they see you. So we will see what is the card. It's King of Water. So I definitely feel that they are changing for you for this love, and they are very honest, reliable, trustworthy, and they love you. And they love you, but they have to change. They have to make some changes to themselves first to accept you as you are, or it may be your energy. You love this person, but you need to change a lot before accepting them as they are, because each and every one of us, we have a lot of flaws. Just like we have good qualities, we all have a lot of bad qualities. So this may be the time for you to be very flexible, and that is what is happening today in your life, Gemini. So circumstances are changing, but it may take a little time for you to have a very balanced, harmonious relationship, Gemini. So we will see what is the card for your career situation. Nine of Earth. So you are going to be very happy because you will see good changes coming for you very soon, opportunities, something new coming in your life, in your career. So that is the energy with these cards for you all. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. Stay tuned for the pick a card that is coming up right now. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate. I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. We will see what it is. A leg up. So, with this card in your circumstances, maybe this may be the time for you to request help. Maybe if you are in a relationship, any relationship thrives on interdependence. So it is important to recognize your role as well as the role of the other person. So you must let them support you. It may not be a financial support but emotional support. So if you are feeling really vulnerable, it may be time for you to speak up your needs and ask this person, because they will not know what you need, but you will be met with kindness and love. And you cannot expect them to read your mind giving you help voluntarily, but when you ask them it will be given, guys. So any relationship works well as a team, so this may be the time for teamwork, and that teamwork is going to attract wonderful miracles today in your life. So, the same way in your work circumstances, this is the time for you to seek advice from your business partner or your advisor or mentor. You can get their help, and this is the time for you to get good counsel. And if you do that, and if you delegate authority to others, so you can take your steps towards big dreams. You will taste success very soon in your life. And this is the time for that, guys, for those who chose this card. So you must accept other people's guidance and help in your life today. That is going to change the whole scenario for you all. So that is the reading with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. So we will see what is the second card for those who chose this card. Communication is the key. New moon in Gemini. So this card just means that this may be the time for you to have a good talk, telling this person what you truly feel. So talking things through is the answer, and you will know whatever you wish to know today. If you cannot talk to that person, you must journal, maybe write to them, or email or a message. That is going to help you. And if it is something that concerns your family or a neighbor, this may be the time for you to wipe the slate clean, maybe forget the past and start over again. And you must be grounded, and you must try to talk to others, maybe certain people. You need to communicate to them, and you need to prioritize whoever you want or whoever is important for you, and you must tell them what you truly feel. That is going to help you. And this may be the time for you to meditate, guys. So meditation or some kind of spiritual practice is going to relieve you of all the stress, and it is going to help you in a very beautiful way. So that is the energy with these cards for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I will see you next time. Bye guys.